Now, Todd, this is an interesting one for a lot of investors out there as well, because this particular fund and these stock picks enter a kind of growingly crowded field in terms of thematic AI plays. From your kind of macro perspective, looking at the entire ETF market, just how competitive is it for asset managers and advisors to garner funds into the thematic ETF trade for AI? Or is the market, the TAM, the total addressable market, so big that it doesn't matter how many people enter because the demand is there from amongst investors, whether they're retail or institutional?
So we at Verify, we find that advisors are using roughly 5 to 10% of their portfolio for more dedicated thematic investing. So some of the AI trends, we're going to see exposure in the triple Qs, the NASDAQ 100 ETF from Invesco and other technology-oriented ETFs. But there are some dedicated AI ETFs. The Robo Global Artificial Intelligence ETF, the ticker is THNQ, is a good example of that. It also takes a research-driven index-based approach. It's equally weighted around 50-55 stocks, and it's looking at companies that are both infrastructure and application layers tied to AI. So that's going to cover some of the technology areas that Dan talked about, but think THNQ also is going to have exposure to healthcare and robotics and sensors and things like that.